Virtual house plans uses a method called virtual construction design, VCD, to create house plans. VCD allows for the creation of 3D models that include all the different parts for your future home. This model shows details that cannot be seen in a regular 2D drawing, for instance, how the building will fit into your site. The 3D model can also be shared with everyone involved in the project, which helps understand the design better. By involving everyone in the design process, like the client, architect, engineer, and contractor, we work together to develop an improved design that meets everyone's needs. VCD also helps you save money and time. For example, it can identify potential design issues before the building is constructed, avoiding expensive changes later on. With VCD, it's easier to coordinate the work of different disciplines, which speeds up the construction process. In summary, VCD is a valuable tool that enhances both the design and construction phases. Virtual House Plans is committed to using VCD to create excellent house plans for our clients.